Hello, for Data Communications and Network 1 class today, the topic will be on data networks. Now, why do we need data network or networking? Think about, in the past, we can talk to your friends, to our friends, right? About telephone system, we have like a cup, something like this, and then we have like wire, and then we can talk, this person talk to this person, so this is like point to point. But then when you want to talk to many persons, many people, you have to have wire from one place, so this is you, so you have to have wire to this place, this place, this place, this place, now if you have many people to talk to, you have to have wires to all of their houses. This is really not convenient. And if you want to connect to maybe some organization, like you want to call เกษตรศาสตร์ but you haven't have the line from your telephone at home to เกษตรศาสตร์ yet. This is the landline, the landline at home, the 02 number. Then you have to put the line, connection first, so this is not feasible, this is not practical, so what we do is that we will connect everyone into the network, if we don't do that, we cannot connect to everyone in the world, but because we have network, so now everyone is connected to a network. So this is you want to talk to someone, this is another person, then you will go, to the correct, the trunk and the switching office, and then you go to that person, this make everyone be able to talk to everyone else in the world only if you know the phone number. So if you know that this is 02 number is in Bangkok, if you know call from Thailand, if you dial 001, then you will go to the international gateway, to other countries, something like that. If we don't do this, think about how many wires each of you has to have, to connect to all the places that you want to talk to, so that's really the benefit, of using networks, reducing the lines, because you are not using it all the time, usually you call maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then you hang up, and the other person in other house can use the same line at other times, so it's like sharing the resource, everyone share the resource, that's why network make it like economical to use. Now let's look at the type of the data networks. We'll talk, this is an overview, so we'll talk about the well-known, that you may have heard about. The first one is wide area network or WAN. This is for large area. We'll talk about this in a little bit. The second one that is maybe more popular that you have heard about is local area network or LAN. This is for small area like in an organization, in a hotel, in a house. In เกษตรศาสตร์ we have the LAN, which is the used with the wire, and also LAN without the wire or the wireless LAN. So this is what we are using every day. And then we have wireless networks. Wireless network is just a general name for any networks that is not connected with wire. This is very convenient, because it's portable. You can move your device everywhere, and also sometimes it's mobile. You can use while you are moving, when you are walking or you are in the bus, something like that. So you don't have to worry about carrying the wire, okay, and to connect it. So you can connect it without like wirelessly, okay. Internet, I think everyone know internet, okay. Internet is probably from the internet working, okay, abbreviate from internet working, because it connect many networks together. If you have many networks connecting together, then it become internet working and internet, okay. Internet is very popular. People are using it every day, okay, and it's probably gonna be almost as essential as like electricity, maybe. Okay, so you'll be like very upset if today you cannot connect, people get upset when they cannot connect to the internet. Now let's look at the wide area network, okay. As I say, it's a large geological area, okay, such as provinces like Bangkok, countries, Thailand, okay, of connecting many countries together, okay, very wide area. So mostly it's gonna be wire network, okay, it's connected with wire. But sometimes it has the combination of wire and wireless. You can have microwave link here, which is wireless, okay. This can be microwave link, which can connect for a long distance, and you may have wire to connect to like another network like this, okay. The wide area network, or WAN, we use circuit switching and packet switching techniques, okay. For the circuit switching techniques, it's like this. You have, suppose you have network like this. A want to send to B here, okay. A will use this Y, okay. Now suppose C want to send to D, okay. Now C cannot send, because suppose you want to go this way, it cannot send because this is already used by B, okay. So it will not be able to connect from C to D in the circuit switching network. Okay, so because this is a dedicated circuit, which means that if someone is using that connection, okay, no one else can use it. Now the examples of circuit switching is the public switch telephone network, okay. This is the network at home, okay, the 02 number at home. Sometimes we call it PSTN, okay, short for public switch telephone network. Now for the packet switching, in this case, okay, you allow, okay, other people to use the same Y or the same line as you. Suppose you have A connected to B here, okay. This case you send packet, okay. So the message or the file that you want to send, you break it into smaller size, and then you send it into like packets, okay, and then you reassemble it at the end, okay. Now suppose C want to send to D here, okay. C can send its own packet, okay. This is this one, okay. They can use the same wire or the same link, okay, to transmit both A to B packet and C to D packet at the same time, okay. This is the packet switching nature. You can share the resource, okay. You can send at the same time. Now local network, you have a smaller area, okay. So mostly you will use broadcasting, okay, like I'm shouting and then everyone around me can hear it, what I'm saying. This is broadcasting, okay, wireless broadcasting. So you will do that instead of the switching approach. For the wireless, is very easy to understand, right? Like as I say, it's like I'm shouting, or it's Wi-Fi, okay. Everyone inside the network can hear what other people is saying. Now let's look at the wire LAN, okay, standard that use, we call it Ethernet, not internet, okay, Ethernet. Okay, this one is a wire LAN standard. Okay, suppose I have A, B, C, D here. Okay, and then B want to send, suppose we want to send to D. Okay, so it's sent and everyone can hear it. A, C, D can hear it. Okay, now suppose D want to send to D want to send to A. Okay, it will send, and then this one will send, and they will collide, or we say collision occur. Okay, collision occur. So they will collide, and then no one can understand what is the mixing of the signals. Okay, so we will have problem in case of LAN is that because data are sent to all stations, we have privacy problem. Okay, so we can fix this using encryption, which is secret code, okay, or secret message. So even though other people can hear it, they cannot understand what it means. Okay, we can also have multi-access problem, as I told you before, that there's collision. Okay, this is the multi-access problem. So we have to try to have only one person sending at the same time. Okay, if more than one person sending at the same time, that signal will collide, and no one can understand what it is. Okay, standard is the Ethernet and the Wi-Fi. Now for the wireless network, okay, people have heard about this, and we have wireless LAN and other stuff, but I want to introduce a little bit more that is coming, or is already here actually. Wireless personal area network. This is for the device around you, maybe at work. You have computer, you have printer, and they are not connected by wire. Okay, so and you may have other electronic device. Okay, you can send to print. Okay, without having a wire connecting them. Okay, so this is wireless personal area network. So it's just the area around you. Okay, then we have the wireless body area network, which I think will become more and more popular. Okay, like you have device on you, you have the smart glasses on your face, you have smart watch, you have like EKG system to monitor your heart rate. Okay, you have other device to monitor when you are walking, or when you exercise, or to monitor your health, something like that. Okay, so this is device on the person. Sometimes it's on your clothes that you wear. Okay, wireless LAN is Wi-Fi actually that we have heard about. There's also other standard like WiMAX, but it's not popular in Thailand. Okay, and so this is the references. In the picture, I also have some references, under the picture. Those pictures are the ones that allow other people to use for free. Okay, so we don't have a lot of pictures here. Okay, so thank you very much.